Hey people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Larissa and today we're gonna make some Mother's Day DIY, or at least something like that. For this first idea, I'm thinking about how to gift a bottle of whatever you like, but making it a little more special. You know, so it's not just a bottle. This bottle is already super cute, but we are gonna make it extra. I already love this combination. And for that, we're gonna use this foam thing, floral foam thing. You know, this is here. This is all we're gonna need for this. And the nice thing is, I'm gonna show you, it's gonna become basically two gifts in one. We want it square-ish. You can put water on it and use actually like real flowers, but I don't like real flowers because they just die. So like, I would rather have some, you know, nice looking fake ones, just like realistic. Get some realistic looking one because it's gonna last, and then, you know, you can use for other stuff. But here is what we're gonna do. We're gonna get our bottle. See, got our bottle with the thing on top. If you're going with real plants, just put some water on this and then it should last. Eventually, like whoever you gift this to can just remove this and put it in a vase. Like it's gonna be nice, you know? So here's what we're gonna do. So some of them you can just remove like this, but if you need, you can use a wire cutter to just cut like the flower out of it. I would suggest you use the wire cutter and you actually leave a little bit of the stem, because that way it will attach better as it's gonna go deeper into the foam. The reason why I didn't do that is because I wanted to put those flowers back into the stem and actually cut it longer, because I used those flowers for my wreath. Since my mom is not here in the US, so I'm not gonna gift her this, and I'm making it just to give you the idea, since I had the flowers here to make my wreath. You already know that I am obsessed with disco planters, so that's what I'm gonna use for this DIY, which I also use it as ornaments whenever it's like Christmas. It's just perfect. You just put it in like the tree and you hang it from this. Absolutely perfect. But anyways, right now we're gonna use it as a planter, and I'm just gonna use whatever I have left of foam from the last DIY. I am not using real plant, so I do not need this one. This one is the one that you put water in. I don't really need it, but since I have it, I'm just gonna use it and throw it in there. Didn't even remove the plastic because this one, when it doesn't have water, it kind of just gets a little piece everywhere. I'm thinking of using a little bit of this, like really small ones like this. Then maybe some light pink like this. And I might even use two of those. And then some dark pink. Those ones are beautiful and like $3 plus the 50%, 40% I think it is. And it's like really, really pink. So I love that. And then I have this left over, so I'm gonna just use these as the green parts. I don't know about you, but as someone obsessed with the disco planters, I would love to receive one, especially if it's a little personalized with some flowers and a little arrangement that someone made. So you better believe I would not only love to receive one, but I would also gift one. And again, if you are pro real flowers, go for it. This next idea is not a gift per se, which it could be, I mean, you do you. But if you're hosting any Mother's Day, lunch, dinner, or even like girls' dinner, girls' lunch, whatever it is, but that you want it to be extra cute, you can get those rose ice mold on Amazon and add a little bit of eatable glitter. Eatable? Is that how you say it? Anyway, you can eat it, you know. And it just takes any drink to another level. You already know I love extra stuff, and this is just one of those. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did like, make sure to give this video a thumbs up because that helps a lot. Consider subscribing, and at the very end I'm gonna suggest you a video that I think you're gonna like.